Firstly, open your Telegram app on your phone, then click on the contact you want to send the PDF file to. So I'll be using this one right here. So when done with this, the next thing for you to do is to click on the attachment icon, which is the one right here. Click on it, then click on file, so you can locate where you have the PDF file on your phone. So you can locate it. You can locate where you have the PDF file. So let me check my external storage, then download. So right here, as you can see, here are some PDF file right here. So you can just select any one of your choice. Then you can add the caption to it if you want. Then you send. So right now, as you can see, the PDF file is being sent. So right now, the PDF file has been sent. So that was how to do this. Hope this video helped. Please give it a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video.